Purple Carrot is a popular plant-based meal kit delivery service that caters to individuals seeking convenient, healthy, and delicious vegan meals. The service aims to simplify plant-based eating by providing pre-portioned ingredients and easy-to-follow recipes, eliminating the need for extensive meal planning and grocery shopping. The company offers a diverse weekly menu with various meal types, including dinners, breakfasts, lunches, and pantry items like snacks and desserts. Customers can choose from different meal plans based on their dietary needs and preferences, such as high-protein, gluten-free, or quick and easy options. Meals are designed to be nutritionally balanced, emphasizing whole foods, fresh produce, and globally inspired flavors. Purple Carrot prides itself on using high-quality, often organic, ingredients. The service is particularly appealing to those looking to increase their vegetable intake, reduce meat consumption, or fully embrace a vegan lifestyle without the associated complexities. While the cost per serving might be higher than traditional grocery shopping, the convenience, unique recipes, and reduced food waste often justify the price for many subscribers. The service's environmental commitment is also a key selling point. Purple Carrot utilizes recyclable packaging and focuses on sustainable sourcing practices, aligning with the values of environmentally conscious consumers. Overall, Purple Carrot provides a practical and enjoyable solution for incorporating more plant-based meals into one's diet, offering a blend of culinary exploration, nutritional benefits, and convenience.